Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making apple donuts. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the apple donuts. You will need 3 apples, peeled and diced. You could use Gala, Macintosh or Granny Smith. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of sour cream, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and you will also need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of butter. And these are how your apple donuts should look like. It's an easy recipe for Thanksgiving, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!